integrity ng machine at i-question. Pangalawa, how do we ensure na hindi pwedeng mag-transmit ng maaga itong machines at hindi siya dadaan sa isang server na hindi alam ng publiko before going to the common server. Nalagay ko na yung pangatlo rin, is there a way na bago matransmit yung results, makita ng publiko yung count at saka anong oras i-transmit so that matrack nila later on kung anong oras nga ba ng transmit and what was transmitted as far as from the precinct is concerned, ma-compare nila doon sa lumabas sa Comelec server. Of course, natin, ang mahusay na hacker can always hijack that. Pero may yung mga features ba ito?
Ted, isa-isahin po natin. Yung sa VCN, of course, we have to dispute